I got another one. Can I help this? This one technically has a better purpose though. I actually sold the Fuji I had. I took the fenders off that, I sold it, made a couple bucks. And if you know me, I love Peugeots. Peugeot's old bikes are fucking sick. And I love their color schemes, I love their livery. And I always wanted a yellow one, a mixtie, to be honest with you. I want to customize mixties a bit. I think too much shit is talked about this being like a female bike, which is stupid. It's called a step through. And for me, if you're going to get like a grocery getter, I like this shape a lot. It reminds me of a bit of a motorcycle. I don't know why these aren't more popular as far as like grocery getters or whatever, but I see the potential. So yep, gotta do this project before I go. Maybe I might take this one with me, I don't know. I get these, I do them up, and then I decide. But this is another one for $100. Now compared to the $100 of this one compared to the one I got, the Raleigh, and you'll see how crazy of a deal it is in general, because I also feel like this one's a deal for a Peugeot. Granted, it's been sitting for sure, obviously. It's pitting, you know, just dust covered and icky there. I'm gonna see how much I can get back of this with some polish, but I do have another wheel set that is a slightly better condition. This is the pin and cotter. It looks good here, but back here, as you can see, I hope I can get this off. I know these are a pain in the ass, and I never actually took one off myself yet. We're about to find out. All this can go. And my idea for this one, actually, I don't know if I'm going to leave it geared or single speed, but I think I'm going to leave this one geared, but keep one chain ring up front and the gears in the back. I guess that's like a, what they call like a gravel setup now, I guess. But then if you look at the frame, I can show some other things why I like it. You always have the Mavic Rafers. These are very popular brakes. You can get a little money out of these if you clean them up. I probably gonna keep these. To be honest with you, these brakes are better than the cantilever brakes. They pull so much more evenly and you don't have to adjust them. I don't really, you know, cantilevers are cool, they're cheap, it is what it is right now, but these are actually better. So I'm probably gonna leave that. And let's see. Other than that, I think I'm just gonna change handlebars, pretty much. Gonna change the wheels, change that into a single, and get rid of the cotter, pin and cotter, and change the seat. Or I might not do any of that shit. But most likely I am. I've always wanted the stem too. These are a little funky. I like the squared off look. So first things first, get this back, and then we're gonna clean it up, take it apart, see what is easy to take apart, see what doesn't want to come apart, and then we're gonna clean it up, and then we're gonna add some new parts and or polish this up the best it can, see how good it goes, the wheels, and keep it rolling. I did ride it real quick. It does roll actually really nice, which leads me to believe that the bearings are very good inside. It's just that somebody left it on the exterior and let it sit outside for a while and just got some corrosion. The wheels are actually pretty true, so yeah, for $100, absolutely, absolutely. For me, this is a deal. And when you see the end of it, I think you will see what I'm talking about when I finish. But let's get started.